In this video, we'll walk through how to evaluate data quality using AWS Glue Data Quality rules. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your data is clean, complete, and reliable, ready for analytics and machine learning workflows. Let's get started. First, click on Create a Job to evaluate data quality. Here, we'll define our S3 data source. This is the dataset we want to assess. Next, provide a name for your job. And select the IAM role we created earlier. This role ensures AWS Glue has the necessary permissions to access the data stored in S3. Once the job is created, you'll see a data preview of the CSV file. This preview helps you verify the structure and contents of your dataset before applying any data quality rules. Now, let's set up a data quality rule set. Glue's rule language allows us to define specific checks on the data. For example, let's add two rules. ColumnCount equals 5, to ensure the dataset has the expected number of columns. RowCount greater than 100, to confirm the dataset contains a sufficient number of rows. After saving the rule set, AWS Glue automatically runs the data quality evaluation. Once the evaluation is complete, check the outcome column in the results. Here, we can see that the ColumnCount equals 5 rule has passed, while the RowCount greater than 100 rule has failed. This indicates that the dataset structure is correct, but it doesn't meet the expected row threshold. Let's add another rule to check for uniqueness. We'll add the rule IsUnique, customer_ID, to verify that the customer_ID column contains only unique values. After rerunning the evaluation, you'll see that the IsUnique, customer_ID rule has passed, confirming there are no duplicate customer IDs. By applying these data quality rules, you gain valuable insights into the accuracy, completeness, and reliability of your data. This step ensures your machine learning pipelines and analytics workflows start with high-quality, well-organized input data. This concludes the exercise. And as always, remember to delete the resources you created during this demo to avoid unnecessary charges.